Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can use the auto refill on Bambu Studio. Now basically the first thing that you want to do is to just head over to Bambu Studio Slicer, and from here you then want to click on your device, which will basically show us our printer right here. Now on this section there will be a specific category where you can edit out the auto refill setting, which will look something like this. Now basically you just want to click on this specific icons right here. Now the first thing that you want to do is to set your filaments. So in here you want to click on the first one. This is going to be grouped together. Now before we head over to our next step, basically the AMS or the automatic material system allows us for seamless non-stop printing by switching to a new spool when the current one runs out. Now this is really important. It requires 2 or more identical filament, same type, color and brand, loaded into the AMS. Basically the first thing that you want to do is to just load your spool. Place identical filament spools in the AMS. For example, we have this slot 1 and we have this slot 2. So we have A1 and we have A2 right here. From there, of course, we can then navigate through the custom settings. You want to make sure that everything is set correctly with your filament preset, with the color of the filament, the nozzle temperature, and basically from there, just click on confirm. Now, basically from there, you are good to go. Just click on the auto refill function once more, and then it will apply all of the settings that we have changed on the individual filaments. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.